Sensor light appears to come with a remote control and some type of charging port. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link on how you can buy these items. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel or a playlist to suit your needs. I have a light, and it looks like it has some kind of adhesive on the back of it. Oh, this is like our charging station. You have a cable. It's a USB cable, as all should be. We do have a remote control, batteries, and instructions. Let's install the batteries. Tells you that the little extender goes down, so I'm going to put it in this way, and then the other one goes the opposite way. Clip the back in, snap it shut. It's supposed to have a motion detection range of 0 to 16 feet. The illumination is 300 square feet, and it shuts off automatically after motion ceases when you have it on automatic. Initially set up, turn on the switch on the light and switch the button to on. That's going to be this end down here, and you can see that it cuts on. Here it has a mode where you can leave it on. It's going to stay on for about 4 hours before the battery's depleted. You can do that to put it to night sensing, and it activates only in the dark conditions when detecting motions. And then you can do it one more time, and this is full sensing. It turns on upon motion detection regardless of day or night. And that's always on. Night sensing mode, full sensing mode. You can also adjust the power right here with this button. Goes down, goes brighter, brighter, and to the brightest. Then you can cut it off here. We're going to leave it on for just a minute. Play with this remote. Supposed to be able to change colors. Red. Cool. You see it changing colors? What fun. I don't know what smooth does. Okay. I guess that'd be for fun. It also has a timer. Let's put it back on smooth. It has a timer. You can put it on so it'll stay on for 30 minutes. You can put it on timer for 60 minutes. You have to have it cut on before you can use the remote control. So have the light cut on. We're going to cut it on with the remote. We still have it on red. Oh, that makes it brighter or dimmer. This is the full-time sensing mode. It turns on upon motion detection regardless of day or night. This is the brightness adjusting. I have to point it to it. And I guess that the PW turns it back to white. Fun, fun, fun. So you can charge it by putting the USB port directly into the light and then putting this into an electrical outlet. I'll show you that in a few minutes. It also has these charging plates here that connect with the ones down into the station. Recommends that you cut it off when you're charging it like this. I just found out that these come off. They're like magnets. Cool. This off. Off. And then you can store the remote in there. And how cool is that? You can charge all three by putting the USB plug in there. Then taking the other end and putting it into the appropriate charging port, and our little light here tells us that it is charging. For the charging base, the red light indicates charging is in progress and a green light indicates a full charge. I suppose you're talking about that light on the actual lights. The red light here, the red light on the base indicates correct functioning. So these three lights should be fully charged. The cool feature about these, you can choose to use the adhesive backing and put these as mounts wherever you would like to have a light, and then they just pop out so that you can recharge it. But look at this. It will also stick to any metal surface. Nice. I'm actually going to test these on a metal bed. Since they're fully charged, just cut them on. Put them on sensor mode. I took the back brackets off and attached it to the side of the bed. Works. I'm about the foot of the bed away from it and both of them cut on. It's great since my light doesn't work in this room. Let's play with the light colors. Oh, cool. So they only stay on for about 30 seconds for the motion sensor. That's so cool. And it came back on to the red because that was the last color it had. And that one went to orange because that was the last color it had. I'm pressing that one. We'll press this. Oh, it's so pretty, isn't it? And then that one's been on, that one's going off. Very cool. They're pretty sensitive. So I only have to walk to the foot of the bed and it comes on. I can use the remote to make it lower. Or to make it brighter. And it goes off after 30 seconds. Pretty cool. I put the third one in a closet that has no light in it. And there we have light. Now I can see inside my old spare closet. These are just too handy and too fun. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link on how you can buy these items. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel or a playlist to suit your needs. Thanks for watching.